Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the MMC cannot open the file virtmgmt.msc, and that may be because the file does not exist, or is not an MMC console, or was created by a later version of MMC. This may also be because you do not have sufficient access rights to the file. Again, this is the Microsoft Management Console. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Windows Features, best result should come back, or one of the best results should say turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and select that. You want to check mark where it says Hyper-V, so make sure that is selected in there, and then select OK. It's going to take a moment here. Okay, so it says Windows completed the requested changes. Select Close. At this point, you will need to go ahead and restart your computer, and then hopefully at that point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.